Apologies for the amateurish video, but I just want to record what I've done simply so that I can go back to it sometime in the future. Well, the background to this is I have been frustrated recently playing Microsoft Flight Simulator in VR and getting a lost internet connection warning. This has come up several times and it spoils it because it's intermittent, it's random, and although some people on the FS forum have suggested it is due to server issues, it's happened so often I can't believe it is the server issues, and I think it's to do with the driver on the Ethernet link. So what I've done is I have located the driver, which I'm going to do now, and I'm in Windows 11, so if I right click on here and I go to Device Manager and then I click on Network Adapters here, and then I click on the Intel Internet. That's the one that's the problem. Now if I click on the driver here, now the version I had was 1.0.1.4, and where it says update driver, if you click on there and you search automatically for drivers, it told me that the one I had was okay and was the latest driver. Well, that is a load of rubbish. It certainly wasn't. So in the end, what I had to do was I had to find out where the driver was, and this of course here was something that confirmed that there have been network issues with this Ethernet controller. And it said one of the problems was the network connection drops when playing games. So the next thing I did was to find where the network controller is, and you can see it's on the Intel site. You just maybe Google it and it comes up, and then you have the latest drivers and software. And so that's what I did. Because it's Windows 11, I then went on, and if you click there where it says view details, this comes up next, which is where you download the driver. So I downloaded the driver. Now that then appears here. So this is where the downloaded driver appears. The top one you click on, and then it unzips it to the next one. And then if I click on this, this is what you get. And if you just double click on this wired driver 27 point whatever, it loads it. It just does, it's like magic. And then, hey presto, I've got driver version 2.1.1.7. And that seemed to solve the problem. So I hope that's been fairly clear. And I hope if you have a similar problem, that helps you.